How are you?
Good morning. I am fine, thank you, beta, and I hope you all are doing well. I am fine, thank you, beta.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone. I am fine, thank you. Okay, now please. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now, everyone, please turn off your mic. So, before we start our class, we will do a prayer. So, everyone, please join your hands and close your eyes. First of all, Hasti, please keep your mic off, beta. Okay, now you can open your eyes. Kids, if you can hear me and if you can see me and the board clearly, then please give thumbs up in the chat box. And kids, please turn off your video. Please turn off your video, kids. Okay. So now I will take your attendance. So please be ready for your attendance. As I say your name, you have to say yes ma'am or present ma'am. Okay. Pulatya Aghara.
Present, ma'am.
Dharam Borania.
Dharma Borana is present, ma'am.
Ruhi Bloch.
Present, ma'am.
Daksh Detharia.
Present, ma'am.
Ayu Detroja.
Present, ma'am.
Madhav Paladia.
Madhav Paladi is present, ma'am.
Manasvi Jetloja.
Present, ma'am.
Dvish Kagathra.
Present, ma'am.
Navya Kela.
Present, ma'am.
Kriyansh Tagore.
Present, ma'am.
Nirmit Mistry. Nirmit. Devesh Pungia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Trisha Patadia. Naksh Patadia. Arav Patel.
Arav Patel present, ma'am.
Durva Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Hasti Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Nitya Raj.
Roshani is present, ma'am.
Kevin Savaria.
Present, ma'am.
Jignasha Senapati.
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi Sharma. Shraddha Undavya. And Dhruva Vamja. Okay, kids. So your attendance is taken. Now, kids, in last class we did phonics exercise, then language ladder and pre-reading portion. Today we are going to complete reading of the chapter. So everyone please open page number 35. Page number 35 in your textbook. So one by one you will read. Okay. So everyone please open page number 35 in your English textbook, and also keep your pencils ready, as you are also going to underline new words. And see kids, for explanation purpose, आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पर न्यू वर्ड्स लिखूंगी, बट वो आपको अभी कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखना है. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ से वो वर्ड को देखकर अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में अंडरलाइन करना है. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पर मैं लिख रही हूँ, वो वर्ड आपको लिखने नहीं है, सिर्फ अंडरलाइन करने हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एनसी में उल्टे पुल्टे किसी को भी बीच में पूछ लूंगी. सो एवरीवन मस्ट कीप योर फिंगर्स और पेंसिल वेयर समवन इज रीडिंग. ओके ओके, सो आई वांट Arav Patel to read. Arav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read. Start reading of the chapter. So this is a story of two goats. So let's find out what happens in the story.
Two goats are playing. One dog beside the banks of a river. There is a narrow bridge over the river. He is what?
This side. That is this side.
Cross the river and go to the other side.
Okay, yes, very good, Arav. Yes, Becky. So two goats are grazing. Here and see sound. So two goats are grazing on the opposite bank of a river. Please underline the word grazing and the word opposite. Now see, grazing, that is they are eating grass. Okay. So two goats and they are grazing on the opposite. Opposite मतलब कि ऐसे आमने सामने वाला. ठीक है. So in the picture also you can see that see, there is a river and these are the banks. What are banks of a river? Beta, see, banks of a river means जो लैंड होती है रिवर जहाँ से फ्लो हो रही है और वहाँ के पास की जो लैंड है, जो जमीन है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज बैंक ऑफ ए रिवर. सो टू goats are grazing on the opposite banks of a river. So see, ये रिवर है और ये यहाँ पर उनकी बैंक है, बैंक ऑफ अ रिवर. So the two goats are grazing, that is they are eating grass on the opposite side of the river, that is on the opposite bank. सामने वाला जो उनका बैंक है, रिवर बैंक, वहाँ पर वो grazing कर रहे हैं. There is a narrow bridge over the river. Over the river means river के ऊपर. And narrow का मतलब होता है पतला. So there is a narrow bridge. Narrow bridge है, पतला bridge है. Please underline the word narrow and then bridge. Please underline this word बेटा. तो ब्रिज के ऊपर जो नैरो यानी जो पतला ब्रिज है उस पर रिवर है और उस पर एक नैरो ब्रिज है. They both decide. This is decide. Decide करते हैं, सोचते हैं. Please underline the word decide. So they both decide to cross. Please underline the word cross. तो वो डिसाइड करते हैं टू क्रॉस द रिवर कि वो रिवर को क्रॉस करे एंड गो टू द अदर साइड. सो सी व्हाट दे डिसाइड दैट यहाँ पर जो ये गोट है वो ये डिसाइड करती है दैट शी वांट्स टू गो ऑन दिस साइड एंड द अदर गोट डिसाइड्स दैट शी वांट्स टू कम दिस साइड. सो दे बोथ डिसाइड दैट they want to cross the river and then go to the other side और जो different opposite sides है उस तरफ उन्हें जाना है. See kids, here narrow, cross and go, they are action words यानी they are doing words. These words show some action, that is to decide, cross, go. Okay, so they are action words. Okay, now next Durva Patel. Durva,
Yes, ma'am.
read next beta.
The two goats start walking on the bridge. The bridge is so narrow that only one can cross it at
a time.
Both the goats keep walking until they reach the middle of the bridge.
Okay, very good, Durva. Yes. Now, so they decide to cross the bridge and go the other side. So now they started walking on the bridge. The two goats start walking on the bridge. Please underline the word walking. Walk and sing. Walking. Here also Angie gives a sound. Walking. So two goats start walking. Start is a doing word. The bridge is so narrow that only one. Yes.
मैम, आप जो यहाँ पे बोर्ड में लिख रहे हैं वो हमें बुक में लिखना है?
नहीं बेटा, वो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही कहा था. आपको ये अंडरलाइन करने हैं वर्ड्स, लिखना नहीं है, अभी नहीं लिखना है. टेक्स्ट बुक पे अंडरलाइन करने हैं.
ओके मैम.
The bridge is so narrow that only one can cross it at a time. At a time मतलब कि उसी टाइम पे. ठीक है. Now the bridge is so narrow, बहुत ही छोटा है कि सिर्फ one goat ही वहाँ से एट अ टाइम निकल सकती है. मतलब कि देखो, अगर यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये one goat होती तो यही इस तरफ जा पाती, क्योंकि जो स्पेस है वहाँ पर जगह बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, क्योंकि ब्रिज कैसा है, बहुत ही नैरो. ओके, कैसा है ब्रिज? यस,
नैरो.
Yes, yes, very good everyone. Yes, narrow. Only one goat can cross it at a time. सिर्फ एक ही goat तभी वहाँ से निकल सकती है. Both the goats keep walking. They keep walking until they reach. This is reach. Please underline this word, beta. Reach. Reach the middle of the breeze. Please underline the word middle. Middle of the breeze. So both goats keep walking. तब तक वो walk करती रहती है जब तक कि वो middle में, middle that is के बीच में, बीच मतलब कि पहुंचना. तो ऐसे ब्रीज है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऐसे ठीक है. तो वो बेटा please keep your mic off. Someone's mic is on, बेटा please keep it off. So here there is the breeze and यहाँ से one goat and the other goat from this side. तो ऐसे 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 they start walking and तब तक वो लोग चलती रहती है कि जब तक वो मिडल में, ब्रीज के बीच में, मिडल में पहुंच नहीं जाती. Okay, so you have to underline the words reach and middle. Now turn your page and okay, now I want Kriyans to read. Kriyans, beta read.
Both of them want to cross the bridge, but there is no space to cross each other. Let me go first. One goat said. The other goat replies, "No, you go back."
Very good, Kriyans. Yes, beta. Now, both of them want to cross the bridge. Both of them, both the goats want to cross the bridge. दोनों को bridge cross करना है. But there is no space. Please underline the word space. This is space. Space means that is जगह. Okay. Space means जगह. So, but there is no space. जगह ही नहीं है. To cross each other. मतलब किसी in the picture you can see कि यहाँ पर जगह ही नहीं है. तो ये गोट इस तरफ और ये गोट यहाँ से इस तरफ कैसे जा सकती है? Right? Both of them want to cross the bridge, but they cannot as there is no space. Space is नहीं है that they can cross each other. Let's okay. Can you see me, kids? Can you see my video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Chalo.
Yes,
Let me go first. One goat says. एक goat ने कहा, let me go first. मैं जाऊँ. The other goat replies. Replies means to give answers. Replies is a doing word. And meaning of reply is that is to give answer. Answer देना. तो दूसरी goat ने answer दिया. No, you go back. तुम पीछे चली जाओ. Okay. So one goat said, let me go first. मुझे पहले जाने दो. But other goat replied, no, you go back. Okay. Please underline this word, beta. Replies. Please underline this word. Okay, now, Shlok Sanja. Shlok. Read, beta.
Yes, ma'am. So the air woman turns into a white tail, in some time they will realize
Realize. This is not
seeing them, so they think of another way to cross the bridge.
okay. Very good. So soon the argument. This is man man. Soon the argument में जो बहस हो रही थी turns into a fight. जो अभी अब तक तो वो दोनों सिर्फ बहस ही कर रहे थे. They were just arguing. No, I will go first. Another was saying no, let me go first, in that way. But now they started fighting. Okay. So please underline the word argument and fight. कि उनकी जो आर्ग्यूमेंट थी वो चेंज हो गई किसमें? फाइट में. They banged their head. Bang करना, ठीक है? Bang. In this word, the word bang has ung sound. Okay. And also bang is a doing word. Now see, bang their head. जैसे ऐसे अपने head को ऐसे bang किया एक दूसरे के साथ. See in the picture you can see. They banged their head. In some time, they realized. This is realize. Realize. Please underline this word, kids. They realized that this is not helping them. तो जल्दी ही उन लोगों को realize हो गया. Realize means to understand. वो उन्हें समझ में आ गया कि that as they are fighting, this is not helping them. इनसे उनकी कुछ मदद नहीं हो रही. They are just fighting. Both of them wanted to go the other side. दोनों को एक other side पे जाना था. But fight करने से वो तो हो ही नहीं पा रहा था. Right? So that was not helping them. So they think. उन्होंने कुछ सोचा. Think of another way. Another मतलब कि दूसरा. Another way to cross a bridge. So they think of. तो उन्होंने दूसरा वे सोचा so that they can cross the bridge. Please underline the word another. Please underline this word. Okay. Now I want Navya. Navya, read next, beta.
Yes, ma'am. They find a simple solution to their problem. One boat lands down on the bridge and another boat walks over it. This is how they cross the narrow bridge so easily. Thus, they cross the bridge without a fight.
Okay, very good, Navya. Okay, beta, yes. So they find a simple. Please underline this word, beta. Simple. So they find a simple solution. 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 Please underline this word, that is simple and solution. तो उन्होंने सोचा सबसे पहले तो कि वो क्या करे. Now they find simple solution. एक simple सा आसान सा आंसर. Simple solution means answer. Okay. Reply का मतलब answer, that is to give answer. किसी को answer देना. And solution means just an answer. See here it is given. तो उन्होंने simple सा solution ढूंढ लिया. Simple सा idea उन्हें मिल गया. To their problem. उनकी जो ये problem थी उसके लिए. Please underline this word. Problem. Problem. To their problem. One goat lies down. एक गोट क्या करती है? ब्रीच पे ऐसे लाई डाउन कर देती है, मतलब बैठ जाती है. See, you can see in the picture. See, right? That is lies down. Please underline this word. Is lie. So one goat lies down on the breach and the other goat walks over it. तो क्या होता है? वन गोट ब्रीच के ऊपर ऐसे बैठ जाती है एंड दूसरी गोट उसके ऊपर से ऐसे चल के चली जाती है. So the other goat walks over it, over the first goat. Okay, so in the picture you can see. So this goat, she lies on the breach and the other goat walks over it. Yes, but do you want to say something? Someone's mic is on. Yes, Aaron? Okay. This is how they cross the narrow beach so easily. So this is how. Easily means बहुत ही आसानी से. तो इस तरीके से this is how both of them crosses the breach easily. एकदम आसानी से दोनों ने ब्रीच क्रॉस कर दिया. Everyone please underline this word. That is easily. Easily उन्होंने क्रॉस कर दिया ब्रीच. Thus they cross the breach without a fight. तो फाइट के बिना ही उन्होंने ब्रीच क्रॉस कर दिया. As they find simple solution. Now see kids, in this find, lies, walk and cross. They are doing words. They are action words. They shows action to us. That is to find. ढूंढना. That is action word. Lies. See on the breach वो बैठ गई ऐसे. That is also an action word. Walk, that is चलना. So that is also a doing word or an action word. और cross, cross करके जाना. So that is also a doing word or an action word. Okay. So this is all about our reading of the chapter. So kids, through this chapter we understand, we learn that we should never find one small thing. Yes, David. Yes, David.
मैम
मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ.
कहाँ है?
क्या?
मैं
ओके, देवेश नहीं बोल रहा है. मनस्वी. यस मनस्वी.
मैम can I say the moral of the story?
बोलो. Don't do this. Don't do this. एक साथ कैसे बोलोगे? मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? यस मनस्वी.
मैम है ना, इस स्टोरी का मोरल ये है कि always love and value our neighbors.
ओके मनस्वी. ओके. यस, कोई और भी था जिसे कुछ बोलना था? Was it श्रद्धा?
मैम LIES कौन से पेज नंबर पे है?
पेज नंबर 36.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so from the NC kids, if you want to say something, okay, then please write ma'am in the chat box. Because मैं जब explain करती हूँ बेटा, बीच में अगर आप मैम करोगे तो बेटा पूरा मतलब जो हमारा link होता है that breaks off. Don't do this. If you want to ask anything, please write ma'am. Or if you want to say anything, write ma'am in the chat box. And once when I complete saying, मेरा खत्म हो जाए, afterwards you say. मैंने अब कभी भी ऐसा नहीं किया है कि मैंने आपको बोलने का चांस ना दिया हो, राइट? Yes, Kriyan.
मैम,
Yes.
पेज नंबर 36 में इसलिए के बाद टूल्स लिखा है, उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है?
क्या लिखा है 36 पे?
इसीलिए के बाद
धर।
हाँ
धर वो वाला THUS धर।
हाँ
Yes.
मैम, उसका क्या होता है?
वही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ बेटा, धस का ही पूछ रहे हो ना।
हाँ
धस से क्रॉस द ब्रिज विदाउट अ फाइट। धस तो इस तरीके से, ठीक है, बस ऐसे ही उन्होंने क्रॉस कर दिया। धस का मीनिंग वो होगा इस तरीके से, एट द एंड, फाइनली। धस मतलब फाइनली। ओके
ओके।
So the thing that we learn from this story is that we should not fight over little things. Rather, we should find some solution to our problem, because our each and every problem can be solved if we think about our problem. Okay, very carefully. So we should not fight with each other over little things, but we should think over it and find some solutions. So this is what we learn from this story. Now see kids, the words that you underlined today, this you have to write in your 1A notebook as your homework. In homework you have to write this new word in 1A notebook. Okay. Now everyone please open page number 37, and in that we will do understanding exercise question number 1. Fill in the blank. We will do fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Okay. David, read first blank.
There were two boats on the bank of the river. Opposite.
Okay, yes, very good, David. Okay, just one I said, David, I just asked one. No, time is not over, Kevin. It will over at 11:40. 11:40. We still have 6 to 7 minutes to go. Okay? Yes, so there were two goats on the banks of a river. So two goats. कहाँ पर थी banks of river? कौन से bank वाले? That is on opposite bank. Yes, so in A, opposite will come. Opposite bank. Now B, Pulasya.
Yes, ma'am. They decide to cross the river.
Pulasya.
Yes, ma'am. They decide to cross the river.
They decided to. Okay.
मेरा सुना तू?
Right. Please keep your mic off, beta.
बिजनेस स्पेलिंग।
Please keep your mic off. Okay, they decided to dash the river. तो उन्होंने क्या decide किया? That is to cross the river. Yes. So here in second, that is in B, cross will come. So they decided. उन्होंने decide किया कि वो river को क्या करेंगे? So that is cross. Very good. Okay, now next, see, Dharam. Dharam.
Yes, ma'am. Over the river, then there was a narrow.
There was a narrow dash. क्या था? Yes, बेटा. There was a narrow
Bridge. Right.
bridge. Yes. So over the river. Over the river. River के ऊपर. There was a narrow dash. तो कुछ narrow था river के ऊपर. क्या था वो? That was a bridge. Yes, very good everyone. So here in C, bridge will come. Now D, Ayu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
There was room for them to cross each other.
There was no dash for them to cross each other. मतलब कि there was no, मतलब कुछ नहीं था वहाँ पर. Yes, space. तो वहाँ पर उन्हें ब्रिज को क्रॉस करने के लिए, एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करने के लिए वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं था. क्या नहीं था? तो yes, very good Ayu. That is space. So in 4, space will come. Yes. So there was no space for them to cross each other. Very good, beta. And now E, Madhav, Paladia. Yes, Madhav.
The argument between the gods Durgan turned into a dash.
Into a blank. Dash or blank. Yes. Argument between the goats. गोट्स के बीच की आर्ग्यूमेंट, जो बहस वो दोनों कर रहे थे, दैट टर्न्ड इनटू डैश. किसमें टर्न होती है वो? आर्ग्यूमेंट बिटवीन द गोट्स. दैट इट टर्न, द आर्ग्यूमेंट टर्न्ड इनटू व्हाट? यस, अदर्स कैन गिव आंसर. अदर्स बोलो. सही था. किसने कहा? वेरी गुड. Yes. Yes, 5. Yes, beta. Yes. That is 5. Very good. Yes, Rocky. This is all about today's classwork. So today we read the chapter. So we completed reading of the chapter and understand. We also did question number 1 of our understanding, that is fill in the blank. I have already explained homework to you. So your homework is to write these new words in your 1A notebook. 1A notebook में आपको ये जो वर्ड्स हमने अंडरलाइन किए हैं वो लिखने हैं. So that is your today's homework. Okay, अभी किसी को इसमें कोई डाउट है? अगर आपको डाउट है then please write ma'am in the chat box. Yes. किसी ने कुछ पूछा था अभी मुझसे, मैम ऐसा किया. someone, किसी ने अभी कहा मैम, नो, ओके, तो किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है, राइट?
मैम
नो नीड टू टेल बेटा। देवेश, मेरे पास वॉच है, आई हैव वॉच विथ मी, आई नो कितना टाइम हुआ है और कितना नहीं हुआ है, दैट आई नो देवेश। इट इज ओके बेटा, अगर आप मुझसे नहीं हुआ ना टाइम हुआ या नहीं हुआ है तो। हाँ,
आप हमने ये जो वॉच लिखे उससे हमें ऊपर हेडिंग क्या डालनी है?
होमवर्क बेटा, होमवर्क एंड न्यू वर्ड्स है ना ये, तो होमवर्क एंड देन न्यू वर्ड्स की हेडिंग।
ओके मैम।
ओके एवरीवन, ओके, so I think anyone don't have any doubts, so okay, so bye kids, we will meet in next class, have a nice day.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.